my 1985 factory solid axle 22RE Toyota 4Runner.
With four-wheel drive and room for five, 4Runner commutes, carries, and conquers all roads. 4Runner, #1 in customer satisfaction for 2 years running. So who's looking out for #1?
Toyota.
Toyota, who could ask for anything more?
I searched high and low for this particular vehicle until I came across one that was unmolested. It is an automatic, which is pretty cool. I think it was some sort of a California special version, automatic transmission, and a tiny little four-banger. It does have AC, which I think is pretty cool. Go ahead and show you guys under the hood. There it is, in all its glory. 4 cylinders of fury right here. This is the biggest problem with this particular vehicle. Take it for a spin, I'll show you why. A lot of you people out there are probably familiar with the 22RE as being one of the most bulletproof, unkillable engines that Toyota ever made. And that's true. I think they're great for when you want to make an off-road vehicle or a nice woods truck. However, they're slow. And they're really slow. Okay, I'm gonna put this into the floor. Foot all the way down, here we go! Anyway, I would like to daily drive this thing, and daily driver for me means not having to shift all the time. If I want to tow something with my big truck, I can use my 6-speed tow with it. But when I just want to jump in, take my kid to daycare, go to the grocery store, get parts, I want to shift. I personally would like to daily drive this vehicle. Having searched for one for a long time, I would like to make it into something that I could jump in and drive every single day. And so what I'm going to do is put a whole new drivetrain in it, front to back. I will retain the automatic transmission. However, the automatic transmission is going to come out of the donor vehicle. And so that engine and trans will come with it. And I'm gonna show you guys that in a little bit once we go get it. So luckily a while back, I kind of had the idea that I was gonna do this, and I had a big plan. And so I picked up something that I think will be perfect for this project, and we are gonna go pick it up right now. I got a trusty navigator with me, and we're on our way to go get it right now, so stay tuned. Well, we made it. All I gotta do now is get to my trailer, which you might be able to see right there. Luckily, this here pickup is a 4x4. However, I don't think my hubs are locked in, so let's see if we can get those. Oh, nope, just kidding, they are locked in, so well, let's take a stab at it. Well, I think what I'm gonna try to do is break my own lock. Of course, I didn't bring a hammer, but I do have my jack. Well, it looks like that is a lot easier than what I had planned. I do not recommend this Reese tow power. I literally just set that on there, and it fell right off. So, good news is, that is now coming home with us. This is not. Backup camera here. After the wife and I got into about 1 million fights trying to back up underneath trailers. And let me tell you, it sure does make it a lot easier. I can do this without even really looking. I mean, I've got camera in one hand, just backing it up. Can pretty much one-shot it every time. It's nice. There, now we're gonna put this bad dog here, 4-wheel drive, get her loaded up. Hopefully, fingers crossed. There she is. 2001 4Runner V6 automatic. I'm sure you're probably wondering to yourself, Donnie, why would you cut up such a beautiful rig, especially in this color? Well, this is what it looks like on the other side. The poor girl I bought it from had a deer jump out in front of her, so she got into a fight with a ditch and lost. Luckily for me though, she took really good care of it. Let's see if I can show you. Well, that could be a problem. I think I got it. All right. Very, very clean inside. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to, there we go. Oh yeah, okay. Well, there it is. 3.4 liter V6 variety for us to put into our 1985 4Runner, hopefully. I can tell you right now that is one of my favorite things about this particular engine. I just went ahead and had the jumper cables on it for all of maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Started right up. I'm sure you heard the alarm going off, which was because I had the door unlocked with the battery off and did some fucking, ooh, look at that. It's got a radio. I don't really remember this rig very well. It's got a cool phone mount. What do you think, dude? What do you think? It's good? Will do? I am going to let this run for a little while. Go ahead and drop that window down just so we don't get locked out. I think the AC compressor is actually kicking on for the defrost. Then turn that off. See if that'll warm up in here. I wonder if the back window goes up and down. Oh! Oh, goes down. Oh, and it goes back up. All right. So, most of this stuff seems to work. Before I bought it in the dark, I didn't look at any of this stuff. Valve cover gaskets like to leak on these a lot, but that's okay. It's going to be coming out. We're going to swap all of this stuff over. Runs smooth. Ironically, this radiator actually didn't get pinched. It doesn't shroud. I drove it onto the trailer last time. Hopefully that's what we're gonna do today. about Toyotas. You only need a 10 millimeter. You can take the entire vehicle apart. There might be some other various bolts in there, but I haven't found them. Whole rig, 10 millimeters. Anyway, also, another fun fact, should you ever have to take your fender off on the side of the road, it does fit in the cargo area. That's exciting. Never would have thought of that. Okay, well, we are loaded up. Well, it's on the trailer. Need to strap it down and get it home. Now is the time for us to take her home, get her put into the garage, and start tearing it down. I'm excited. Hope you guys are too.